Welcome to fast online tutorials for graphs and the dashboard. You can create multiple series graphs using several data columns. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a graph using 4 data columns. Before creating a graph, you must run the report. I am going to create a graph for the payroll deduction reporting page. As you can see, this report has many columns. In fact, way too many columns to create a graph without limiting the amount of columns. So I am going to open the report options and then select the Advanced Options tab. And with Advanced Options, you can select the checkbox for the columns you are using and clear the remaining ones. Run the report again. And the columns I selected now display in report format. To create the graph, click the Graph tab. You must select either the side-by-side or stacked type of bar chart for a multiple series graph. Add a descriptive title for the graph. Find the column you are using as the x-axis. The column you chose is inserted as the title. The y-axis must be numeric, and I am using EE1. And because this is a multiple series graph, I am adding 3 more numeric columns as series. And now I can create the graph. In this graph, the x-axis is the deduction code, and the side-by-side color bars represent the y-axis. And the 4 colored bars in the multiple series correspond to the data columns listed in the legend. You can also create a line chart with multiple series. Make sure to select the stacked option and then create the graph again. In this graph, the multiple series are represented by the connecting lines.